Hello everyone, my name is Christopher from the entrepreneurship program. So today I'm gonna present my presentation about the issue question. So our topic today is, does test scores define one's intelligence? Before we talk about it, let me ask you guys, have you guys ever failed in the exam? How do you feel about that? In my experience, sometimes when people got a higher score than you, usually they show off their score to others with a lower mark to make the others envy. Or even our teacher mock or even blaming us after getting a lower score. Indirectly, that make people with lower score envy or even uh, frustrated. Next, test score is just a number. Why do I say that? Because in my opinion, not everyone good at memorizing or counting a number. Also, not everyone got the same portion to memorize the material that our teacher gave to us. Everyone has a different portion to take. Not everyone got a happy family. Sometimes our parents not supporting us to do what we like or what we want. What they do is just forcing us to do what they want. We we must achieve what they want. Next, not everyone got a good environment to study. Everyone has their own talent. So everyone has their own skill and we cannot compare each other abilities. Next, there is a type of intelligence that has been researched by the expert, which is first we got logical intelligence. People with this intelligence is good at math. Second, we got linguistic intelligence. People with this intelligence good at talking. Usually they are politician, something like that. Then we got visual intelligence. People with this intelligence is good at drawing or design. Next is intrapersonal intelligence. People with this intelligence is good at knowing what they need or what they need to do. They can suffer in any condition. Next, we got musical intelligence. People with this intelligence, it good at music or playing any instrument. Next is interpersonal intelligence. People with this intelligence is good at knowing other feelings. Usually, they are psycholog. Kinesthetic intelligence. People with this intelligence is good at sport. Then the last one is naturalist intelligence. People with this intelligence is good at taking care of plant or animal. So I have made a form to separate, and there are 56 responses from the Google form that I published. From 56 people who fill the form, there are 35.7% of people who are 18 years old and 23.2% who are 19 years old. And 91.1% agree and 8.9% don't agree with my opinion. Here are the best responses I got from the form. I will read some of them. First, we got Felicia. Test score did not determine your intelligence. It can be rigged by cheating or like buying the score. So even your average score is like 90%, that doesn't mean you can be called as smart people. It's just written on a piece of paper where it doesn't show your intelligence. Harpowin, there are too much aspect that might affect one's score. For example, someone might get a lower score when they are not in a good mood to do the test, etc. If this happens, it doesn't mean that they are not intelligent. It just that they are not in the right mood to do it. Uh, I will skip to Jesus Wardi. Anyone can get a good test score as long as they work hard, so it can really define one's intelligence. Quayenta. It doesn't measure our form of intelligence and it can lead to the development of stereotypes. Cheryl, person's intelligence is not only about score that he or she gets, but many other factors that can determine the intelligence of a person. Jovan, I don't believe in one's intelligence defined by academic achievement. It doesn't affect your drive for success. Andrew, because one can decide whether or not they study. If you want to read all of this, you can pause the video and read it. So I will conclude that a person intelligence is not always seen from the academic values he gets, but from the thought he gives. A person's intelligence can be determined from the mindset he provides in dealing with problems or solving problems. So if you say the mark is everything, you just need to see intelligence from a different point of view. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. If I made a mistake, I'm sorry for it. Goodbye.